video we are going to talk about very important transit of sun, how it's going to give the impact on world. So what is going to be the world impact of world and the government and the gold and stock market. Let's talk about that. So we are starting with the sun's transit, which is going to happen on 14th May 2024, 17:49 p.m. As you all know, the situation of the country right now, we all are looking forward for the elections results. So let's talk about some government and the politics and some policies. Let's see this sun transit, what it's going to bring for the the central government, which is already the ruling party, and for the others, which is going to be Vipaksh and the rest of the parties, what it's going to bring. Let's talk about it. The government and the politics during this time, we may see the government not being able to perform too well. It is possibly that the government might attract some negative comments due to exercising extreme aggression as the sun transit into the sign of Venus. The sun and Venus are inimical to each other, so the sun may not perform very well in Taurus. So India's horoscopes as the country wise, you see it's already a Taurus Lagna. The sun being in the first house first house may hinder the government from taking correct decision due to the extreme aggression and anger. The government in India and around the world will be seen being unsure about their positioning in their respective countries. Political unrest could be seen in many parts around the globe. The government in major countries may not be able to manage the internal system of the country very well during this time. People at high ranks or within the government could be hindered from carrying out their duties well due to the many external factors which may be totally out of their control. However, it is a good time for teachers, spiritual preachers, counselors, public relations writers, artists, sculptors, etc. Agricultural sector will experience the growth and good yields and better harvest. Farmers are sure to be benefit from this transit. Sector is sure to be benefit too and show good growth. The sun transit for the Taurus, it's a if we will just see the stock market also. This for the stock market, if you see the which stocks are going to run, those can be the chemical industry, public sector, pharmaceutical sector, power sectors. The cement industry will perform really well because, as I have predicted in my earlier video, the king of this year, it's Samvatsar, is Mars, and the Mantri is Saturn. So there is going to be lots of ups and downs, and lots of property and construction related pharmaceuticals stocks are going to perform really well this time. The optical industry is sure to benefit as the sun and Venus both are the karakas of eyes. Electrical products industry, electrical power, tea and coffee industry, cement industry, diamond industry, chemical, heavy engineering will be performing well due to the sun and Mars being in good position. Tech firms and educational institution may perform well during this period. Gold price may hit new heights.